Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel Engineering Guru 2020. In this video, I will cover one more important topic of length of cross belt drive. In this figure, we can see that is the cross belt drive. The cross or twist belt drive is used with the shaft arranged parallel and rotating in the opposite directions. In case of driver pulls the belt from one side, that is GH, and deliver it to other side, that is EF. Thus the tension in the belt will be more than in the belt. So the belt, because of more tension, it is known as tight side. Means this is GH is tight side, whereas the belt EF, because of less tension, it is known as slack side. So this is your tight side and this is your leg side in cross belt drive. In cross belt drive, both pulley are rotated in opposite directions. Means this pulley in rotate in clockwise, then this pulley will be rotated in opposite directions. Means this is clockwise, so this is in anti-clockwise direction. The belt leaves the larger pulley at E and G and the smaller pulley at F and H. So here this is the larger pulley. This is called driver pulley, and this is smaller pulley. This is called driven pulley. So the belt leaves from this point E and G in larger pulley. Whenever smaller pulley, the belt leaves at point F and H, means this point. So through O2 means this point. Draw O to M means this line O to M, and parallel to EF means this line. So both line parallel to each other. From the geometry of the figure, O2M will be perpendicular to O1E. Means this O2M line is perpendicular to this line O1E. The angle MO2O1 equal to alpha. Means this angle is alpha O1 O2M. The length of the belt equal to arc GJE, means this arc GJE plus this EF plus arc FKH plus HK. This is the total length of the belt. So how to find the length of the open belt drive? So that already cover. You can see from this link. In this video, we will cover how to find the length of cross belt drive. Now, cross belt drive, two parts, means the center line, upper side and lower side. So both sides are same. So we can take 2 into arc JE, means this JE, length EF, then arc FK, means this. So this is your equation number 1. Now from the geometry of the figure, we can find that the sin alpha equal to O1M divided by O1 O2. So here we have angle alpha, so it should be O1M, means this O1M in divided by O1 O2. So simply we can write O1M, means this O1M equal to O1E plus EM divided by O1 O2. So here this O1E means this is the radius, this is R1 plus EM. So this is this radius smaller pulley, that is R2. So we can put a O1E equal to R1 plus EM equal to R2, and this O1 O2 means this X. So we can simply write R1 plus R2 divided by X, and this is our equation number 2. So here R1 and R2, radii of larger and smaller pulley, X equal to distance between the center of two pulley, that is O1 O2, and capital L equal to total length of the belt. Since alpha is very small, therefore putting sin alpha equal to alpha in radian, and we can write r1 plus r2 divided by x, and the arc JE here, this arc JE, so it would be 90 plus alpha. So this is 90 angle and plus alpha, and this radius means r1 into bracket pi by 2 plus alpha. So this is our equation number 3. Same as arc FK means this. So this is 90 plus alpha and this radius r2. So we can simply write arc FK equal to r2 into bracket pi by 2 plus alpha. So same concept we already covered in length of open belt drive. So you can also refer this from that video. Now EF means this length. So use Pythagoras MO2. We can write EF equal to MO2 equal to under root O1 O2 whole square minus O1 M whole square. So simply put the value O1 O2 equal to x. So equal to under root x square minus r1 plus r2 whole square. Take the x square common from this. So here x equal to 1 minus r1 plus r2 divided by x whole square. Expanding this equation by binomial theorem, so our equation number 5 will be EF equal to x minus r1 plus r2 whole square divided by 2x.
First open YouTube and write down Engineering Guru 2020. Search. This is Engineering Guru YouTube channel. Open this and subscribe this for more update. Various playlists available here. You can see this is for various subject. This is for velocity diagram, uniform velocity, for cam profile, synthetic linkages, and more video, more playlists are here.
Substituting the value of arc JE from the equation number 3, arc FK from equation number 4, and EF from equation number 5 in equation number 1. So this is our main equations. So put all the value like arc JE, EF and arc FK value from this equation. So that equation will be L equal to 2, this arc JE here, this arc JE value, r1 plus pi by 2 plus alpha, then EF. So x equal to x minus r1 plus r2 whole square divided by 2x plus arc FK means this equation. So plus r2 into bracket pi by 2 plus alpha. Now simplifications. Take open this bracket. So 2 r1 into pi by 2 plus r1 into alpha x minus r1 plus r2 whole square divided by 2x. Open this bracket. R2 into pi by 2 plus r2 into alpha. Now gather this term like this r1 pi by 2 and r2 pi by 2 and take the pi by 2 common. So you can simply write 2 into bracket pi by 2 common, r1 plus r2, same, gather these two terms, r1 into alpha and r2 alpha, take alpha equal to common. So we can simply write alpha into bracket r1 plus r2 plus x minus r1 plus r2 whole square divided by 2x. Now enter 2 in this bracket. So 2 cancel, and that equation would like pi r1 plus r2 plus 2 alpha r1 plus r2 plus 2x minus r1 plus r2 whole square divided by x. Substituting the value of alpha equal to r1 plus r2 divided by x from equation number 2. So put the alpha value. So this equation look like L equal to pi r1 plus r2 plus 2 r1 plus r2 divided by x into r1 plus r2 plus 2x minus r1 plus r2 whole square divided by x. So we simply put this value of alpha. Now pi r1 plus r2 plus this both term are same, so we can simply write r2 r1 plus r2 whole square divided by x plus 2x minus r1 plus r2 whole square divided by So this is our final answer. Length of cross belt drive pi r1 plus r2 plus 2x plus r1 plus r2 whole square divided by x. So this both term are same. This is 2 minus 1. This would be 1. So in terms of radii, so whenever we consider in terms of pulley diameter, we can write pi by 2 d1 plus d2 plus 2x plus d1 plus d2 whole square divided by 4x. So this is the end of this theory. If you have any doubt, you can comment us. If you find my video very helpful, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, follow on FB page, join us on Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel and WhatsApp group. If you find my video very helpful, you can like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay on this channel. More video will be come. Thank you.